Omega's new HANI high-accuracy, non-invasive clamp temperature sensor delivers the speed and accuracy of an invasive in-pipe sensor without the costly installation and downtime. So here's 3 ways Omega's HANI clamp temperature sensor delivers accuracy and uptime. Number 1. Ease of installation. Installing or relocating an invasive in-pipe sensor can be a costly, time-consuming process. First, the media flow in the pipe must be shut off and drained. Then the pipe must be drilled to accommodate the sensor. Now install the fittings, weld the pipe, insert the sensor, check for leaks, and reopen the flow of media throughout the pipe, all adding up to days or even weeks of costly downtime. While Omega's HANI clamp sensor makes measuring the temperature of a fluid moving through a pipe easier than ever. Simply clamp the sensor to the outside of the pipe, connect the cable to your output device, and start measuring the temperature of the fluid inside. The HANI clamp sensor installs in seconds with no cutting, no welding, and best of all, no downtime. And if you ever need to relocate the sensor, just unclamp the sensor, move it to the location where you want to monitor from, and clamp the sensor back on, and you're done. Number 2. High accuracy and fast response time. The Omega HANI clamp temperature sensor features accuracy and response times equivalent to those found on state-of-the-art invasive in-pipe sensors, far surpassing the speed and accuracy of other non-invasive surface-mounted sensors. Our innovative design uses multiple sensors along with a proprietary algorithm to achieve fast response times and high accuracy, so there's no compromising performance for ease of installation and use. Number 3. Non-invasive, non-contact operation. Because Omega's HANI clamp temperature sensor never comes in direct contact with the media moving through the pipe, there's no risk of media contamination due to sensor wear or breakage from corrosive or abrasive liquids, or from high-velocity flow rates. And there's no need to worry about material compatibility, sensor placement, wake frequency, water hammer, and immersion depth as with invasive in-pipe sensors. The Omega HANI clamp temperature sensor is ideal for applications in the food and beverage industry, petrochemical, pharmaceutical, and other sanitary fluid and industrial processes. Follow the link in the description to find out more about the Omega HANI clamp temperature sensor, part of Omega's Layer N smart sensing ecosystem.